So hello guys, ayun dito tayo sa mainit na panahon. Guys, super init, very hot today. The weather is very heat. Oh, you can see guys, ayan, ang init talaga, super as in. So may bibili na naman ako dito guys. Ayun, kailangan natin magpayong today. Super init. Super hot. So we need to open our umbrella. Ang hirap. Ang hirap i-open guys. Ayun, mamaya na lang. Saka na lang. Kung na-open mabuti guys kasi naghawak ako ng So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.